got this smaller piece of the cedar. I took this up to 80 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna go to like 120, 240. By the way, that's called an air shower. I want to get the finishing process started. So, looks like all I do is pour a little bit of this onto the wood, push it in with the off-brand Scotch-Brite. I'm learning a lot. I went too light here, I went too heavy here, but this is still much better than this side, which has like nothing. It almost feels like wood. That other unit is drying. A 1 hour timer. So strip the bark off of this guy. It's time for a cookie break. Okay, it's been like 50-55 minutes. Time to buff it off.
Works.
Dude, this is looking cool. I have all of the power supplies that need to find their way here in some organized fashion. So 1:15. Hopefully I'll be done by 5. but I have my doubts. Man, I really don't like wiring. Ugh. It's happening. It just takes so much time. I'm gonna make some popcorn. Those.
An honor for students to get into the commercial space industry.
Apple TV works. Desktop TV. Cool. Holy shit, we're done.